In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save and share in Excel. Sharing an Excel file is a simple way to let other people view it or work on it with you. Excel gives you a built-in share option, so you can send access to the file directly from the workbook. As you go through this process, make sure your file is already saved in the right location, because sharing works best when the workbook is stored where Excel can access it properly. To begin, look to the top right corner of the Excel window and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you can choose who will have access to the workbook. If you are using a newer version of Excel, this area is designed to make collaboration quick and easy. In the box provided, type the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. Enter each address carefully so the invitation goes to the correct person. If you are sharing with more than one person, add each one into the box as needed. This is the main part of the process, because this tells Excel exactly who should receive access to your workbook. Next, look for the pencil icon next to the names you entered. Click that icon to choose the access level for each person. You will usually see options like Can Edit or Can View. If you choose Can Edit, that person will be able to make changes to the spreadsheet. If you choose Can View, they will only be able to open and read the file without changing it. This is helpful when you want to control how much access each person has. After that, you can type a message if you want to include one. This part is optional, but it can be useful if you want to explain what the file is for or give a little context before sending it. Keep the message short and clear so the recipient knows why they are receiving the workbook. Once everything looks correct, click Send. Excel will send the sharing invitation to the people you selected, along with the access level you chose for them. At that point, they will be able to open the file based on the permissions you set. That covers everything you need to know.